If your marketplace listings are sitting at 0 views, it's almost never your item, it's your listing. In 2026, Facebook's algorithm shows your post to a tiny test pool first, and if nobody taps within the first hour, it basically dies. So everything we cover today is about winning that first hour. The thumbnail, the title, the price, the first line of the description. I've sold roughly 400 items on Marketplace personally, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what consistently works, what's a waste of time, and the honest stuff most guides skip. No fluff. Pricing is where most sellers lose before they start. Open Marketplace. Search your exact item and sort by date listed. Newest first. Ignore the old listings. They didn't sell for a reason. Look at what's moving in the last 7 days. Then price yours about 10 to 15% below the cheapest comparable one in similar condition. Yes, lower. Marketplace buyers are bargain hunters, and being the cheapest visible option is what triggers the message. If you want wiggle room, build $5 to $10 of negotiation buffer into that number. Round prices like 45 or 60 outperform odd numbers like 47. Your first photo is the entire ad. Shoot it in daylight, near a window, with a clean, non-distracting background. A blank wall or a made bed works. Hold the phone level with the item, not above it, and fill the frame. Then add 7 to 10 more photos. Every angle, any flaws up close, the brand tag, the model number, and the item actually in use or set up. Honest flaw shots build trust and dramatically cut tire kicker messages because serious buyers see the damage and decide before contacting you. Avoid stock photos. Marketplace ranks original images higher. Marketplace search behaves a lot like Google. Front-load the brand, then the model, then a key descriptor, then the size or capacity if relevant. So instead of nice couch, must go, write IKEA Kivik 3-seat sofa, dark gray, like new. That title hits every search someone might type. Avoid emojis, all caps, and words like OBO or PPU in the title. They don't help search, and they make the listing look spammy. You have around 100 characters. Use them on real keywords a buyer would actually type into the search bar. Buyers skim, so structure matters more than prose. Open with one sentence stating what it is and the condition. Next, 3 to 5 bullet points. Dimensions, age, original price, why you're selling, and any flaws. Then your pickup terms. Location to the nearest cross street, your preferred days and times, cash or Zelle only, and that you do not ship. End with one line answering the most common question for that category. For furniture, that's fits through a standard doorway. For electronics, it's factory reset and ready to use. Pre-answering questions cuts your message volume in half. Reply within an hour if you can. Marketplace boosts listings that get fast responses. Lead with a friendly answer, plus a soft close like, "It's still available. Are you free Saturday around 2?" That gets them on the calendar instead of ghosting. Now the scam playbook. Anyone asking for your phone number to send a verification code is trying to steal your number with Google Voice. Anyone offering to overpay and have a shipper pickup is a check fraud scam. Anyone too eager with no questions about the item is a bot. Block, report, move on. Don't argue. For anything portable, meet at a public spot, a busy grocery store parking lot, or a police station designated exchange zone. For furniture or big items where they come to you, share only the cross street until they confirm, then drop the exact address an hour before pickup. Have someone home with you. On payment, take cash or Zelle, and for Zelle, wait for the funds to actually land in your bank app before handing the item over. Screenshots are easy to fake. Never accept Venmo from strangers. Chargebacks and frozen accounts are a real headache. 3 honest tricks that still work in 2026. No paid boost needed. First, list at peak browsing times. Sunday evening and weekday lunch hours pull the most eyeballs. Second, after about 5 days, edit the listing. Change one photo and tweak the price by $1. Facebook resurfaces edited listings as if they're new. Third, cross-post to 2 or 3 relevant Facebook groups in your city, but only groups that actually allow sales. Read the rules first, or you'll get banned. Skip paid promotion on Marketplace. The return on it for everyday items is genuinely poor. Quick, honest list, because account bans are brutal and the appeal process is slow. Don't relist the exact same item every day. Facebook flags that as spam. Don't use words like free or giveaway in titles to bait clicks. The algorithm catches it. Don't sell anything on the prohibited list. Weapons, animals, supplements, anything alcohol or vape adjacent, even sealed. Don't ship outside of Facebook's official shipping flow. And if you get a strike, stop listing for 48 hours and let it cool down. Pushing through a strike is the fastest way to lose the whole account.